In this video, we're going to see how to find the size of a list using Python. To do this, we're first going to make a list, and our list here will be a company with some employees inside of it. Now, when I ask for the size of this data structure, I might mean two different kinds of things. I might want to know how many elements are inside of this data structure. I might also want to know how much room is this data structure occupying in memory. To answer the first question, we can use Python's built-in length function, which in this case will tell us that our company list, our company data structure, has three things inside of it. If I would like to know how much memory is being used by this data structure, we can import the sys module in Python, sys, and use a function in sys called gtsizeof to ask how many bytes are currently being used by this data structure. And here Python is telling us that the list is consuming 88 bytes in memory. Now, importantly here, both the length of this data structure and the gtsizeof function applied to this data structure are only looking at the topmost level of my list. And this means that if you have recursively nested lists, the information you're getting will only ever apply to the outermost list.